Hi everyone, this is Dr. Madhuri Deshmukh. So today friends, hello.
हॅलो.
हाँ बोल.
कशाचे रिपोर्ट काढला होता तू?
थायरॉइड.
थायरॉइडचे ना?
हां.
ठीक आहे चालते आणतो मी.
हो हो. मला लगेच फोटो पाठव इकडे.
ठीक आहे चालेल. हो.
हो ठीक आहे. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Madhuri Deshmukh. So friends, today we are going to start our topic of paper biotechnology, that is the recombinant DNA technology. So first of all, we were going to start this lecture. We'll discuss about what is meant by recombinant DNA technology. So as per name only, it suggests that re means new and combination. Combinant means combination of DNA molecule. So this is one of the technique of life science field. So let us discuss DNA molecules that are extracted from the different sources and chemically joined together, that is called as recombinant DNA technology. And DNA comprising an animal gene may be recombined with DNA from the bacteria. So now the question arises, what are the goals of recombinant DNA technology? So let us discuss here. To isolate and characterize the gene or DNA, to make desired alternation in one or more isolated genes, to return altered genes to living cells, artificially synthesize new genes, alternating the genome of an organism and understanding the hereditary diseases and their cures, improving human genome. Procedure of making recombinant DNA. First of all, isolation of DNA, then cutting of DNA by using the enzyme restriction endonuclease, then joining of DNA by using the enzyme ligase, and then amplification of the DNA. Now how the cutting of DNA occurs here. DNA can be cut into large fragments by mechanical shearing. Restriction enzymes are used for cutting of DNA, and so this restriction endonuclease and exonuclease, both the enzymes are used here for triggered cut of DNA, and so these enzymes are also known as molecular scissor in genetics. Now let us discuss about this restriction endonuclease. Wait. Okay. Restriction enzyme, a special class of sequence specific enzymes. These are found in bacteria. Site specific cleave DNA molecules only at specific nucleotide sequence. RNAs recognize restriction endonuclease enzymes recognize the DNA base pairing sequence that are palindrome. So palindrome, what is meant by palindrome? You have studied in previous classes. Now RNAs make the staggered cut with complementary base sequences for easy circulation. Now amplification of recombinant DNA technology. Transforming the recombinant DNA into the bacterial host strain. The cells are treated with calcium oxide. DNA is added. Cells are heat shocked at 42 degrees Celsius temperature. DNA genes, just wait, let me zoom here, it's not visible proper to me. DNA goes into the cell by a somewhat unknown mechanism, means what we called it as a desired gene and the host get attached, get stuck to each other by the unknown mechanism. Once a cell, the recombinant DNA will be replicated. When the cell divides, the replicated recombinant molecules go to both daughter cells, which themselves will divide later. Thus, the DNA is amplified. Amplification means multiplication. Okay. Vectors used in recombinant DNA technology. A vectors in an area of DNA that can join another DNA part without losing the limit for self-replication. It should be capable of replicating in the host cell. It have a convenient restriction sites for inserting the DNA of interest. Should have a selectable marker to indicate which host cell received recombinant DNA molecule. And it should be small and easy to isolate. Some of the vectors which are used in recombinant DNA technology are BAC. BAC means bacterial artificial chromosomes. Yeast artificial chromosome, YAC. Then plasmid, it is common vector. Lambda phage, cosmid, etc. All these are the vectors which are used in recombinant DNA technology. So this is all about the recombinant DNA technology. Friends, in tomorrow's lecture we'll discuss about the types of vectors, different types of vectors. Already we have discussed, means you are well known to the vectors, that is plasmid, cosmid, yeast artificial chromosome, bacterial artificial chromosome. So we'll see details about this in tomorrow's lecture. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day, and if you have any queries regarding this, you can ask me in comment box. Thank you, have a good day.